The model SV-200 Cordless Stick Vacuum offers an impressive suction power of 30 kilopascals for deep cleaning, making it suitable for tackling stubborn messes on various surfaces. Equipped with an innovative green LED light and a V-shaped anti-tangle brush, this vacuum efficiently picks up embedded dirt and pet hair, ensuring a thorough clean with minimal effort. Its smart LED display keeps you informed about battery life, suction mode, and potential blockages, allowing for a seamless and efficient cleaning experience. With a 6-layer filtration system, this vacuum effectively captures up to 99.99% of dust particles as small as 0.1 microns, promoting cleaner indoor air. Weighing just 2.93 pounds, the lightweight design and 8 assembly combinations make this vacuum versatile and easy to use for various cleaning tasks around the home. Thanks to a detachable battery providing up to 40 minutes of runtime, you can enjoy uninterrupted cleaning sessions without the need for frequent recharges.